I didn't allow that to happen. So even today, I expected this. But look, it's not like we are violent or anything. We're just here to deliver the message. We're just here to let them know that, look, the violent...
Kaizer Chiefs supporters are preparing to take their frustrations to the streets this morning. A group of fans are planning a protest demanding major changes at the club. They say weeks of disappointing results and management decisions have left loyal supporters fed.
Hey, hi, welcome to Off Field. Today we're going to talk about the Kaizer Chiefs protest. Yeah, man, it's sad to see the biggest club in Africa moving like a small team. As it got fans are frustrated, and I think there's a lot going on behind the scenes. I think the club might be financially struggling. I think they're struggling financially because if you look at their signing, like those are players that are washed up, like not the players that are fresh. Like they like take players from the dustbin. I don't know what's happening behind the scenes, and the issue of the coach.
But comrades, when we buy merchandises, we are allowed to come inside. Today we are being protected to stay here. This is a very one. You are not taking us. No, we buy this merchandise because we like this team. So we want to talk we want to speak to the management. We guys, we want to admire our facilities inside. We can't be subjected to stay here. This very when you buy
Their frustrations are valid. It's no longer I don't know what's going on there. They are living luxury, but the fans are struggling. Imagine buying tickets so that you can witness your team losing. It's very bad. So imagine 4 years not into the top 8. 4 years not into the top 8. Asazi ukuthi kwenzakalani behind the scenes, or is the club stingy? I don't know. Or are they having financial troubles? Asazi bafowethu, ngoba it's really bad. Rainfall in Naturena. If we don't know what are they going to do, please make sure that you subscribe, like, and hit the bell notification so that when I post, you can get notified. Thank you.